Hi, my name is Debbie, and I'm going to give a quick demo of SourceToad's Cruise Director Signage System. As you know, there are hundreds of digital signage screens on board a modern cruise ship these days, and with so many devices, it can be difficult to manage all of them. Controlling them using a Raspberry Pi and a slideshow can be tedious, not to mention time-consuming. But with the Cruise Director Signage System, you can control various screens across different fleets and easily update them with valuable information for your guests and as often as you need to. So let me show you how this works. So I'm here in Cruise Director, and I'm going to go over to the left-hand bar, click on the Signage Module drop-down menu, and select Manage. As you can see, there are already 3 playlists listed here. So let's take a look at the one called Deck 2 External Door playlist. And as you can see here, we already have 3 slides set up: a cautionary weather slide, a theater slide, and another cautionary weather slide. So in real life, this would be for like a large vertical screen sitting by an exit door on deck 2, maybe close to the movie theater. It would display an inclement weather warning screen for 120 seconds, followed by an advertisement for that night's movie for 20 seconds, and then it would go to the next cautionary weather warning screen for 120 seconds. Now, if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see that this playlist has been synchronized down to only one ship in our fleet, ST Dragonfly. ST's for SourceToad Cruises. And let's go over to our ship now with Cruise Director and take a look at it. So here we are at the shipboard system of Cruise Director, which you can tell by the blue menu bar at the top of the screen, and blue means water. So if I go over to the signage module and take a look at the Deck 2 External Door playlist, you can see that they are exactly the same because it's been synchronized between what we set up shoreside and the ship. Now, I'll show you how easy it is to create a new signage playlist. So let's go back over to the shoreside instance of Cruise Director, which is indicated by the green bar at the top, and green is for land. So in the same playlist manager we were looking at before, I'm going to hit this plus button up here to add. So I'm also going to create a fictional restaurant. Let's call it The Pond, because we're SourceToad, and where else would amphibians want to have dinner? And I'm going to name the playlist Screen Outside the Pond, so it can easily be identified by the crew on board. And let's see, next I'm going to write a description of this screen. This is a 42-inch vertical screen outside the main entrance. Then I'm going to select an orientation, which, as we mentioned in the description, is a vertical screen. So I'll click Portrait. Now we can go down here and start creating the slides. So for the first slide, I'm going to select a slide type. And there are several types to choose from. There's asset slides, there are promo slides, cautionary weather, theater, restaurant menu, all different sorts of templates that can be created and customized for each ship. So I'm going to select asset for this example. Now I'm going to pick a standard asset, either a video or an image, to display on the screen for a certain duration. And let's make that 20 seconds. Here's a picture of a meal. I'm going to save that under the category called Sign, so I can easily find it when I'm searching later if need be. Then I'm going to name this one Fish Dish and hit Create. Now it's been uploaded and I have my first slide done. So let's do another one. Let's go ahead and hit Add New Slide. Let's make it another asset slide and show it for 20 seconds. I'll do the same process again, upload an image of this delicious looking dessert and hit Create. Now let's do one more slide. Let's add a third slide to the playlist. We'll make this one a promotional slide, and I'll add another image again, this time of some champagne. So what I want to do is have this image of champagne display anytime I'm on a particular sailing. So I'm going to pick this sailing, show it for 30 seconds, and the title is going to be the name of the sailing. Next, I'm going to write a tagline. The tagline is the text that's displayed on the template when the slide appears. And for this one, I'm going to enter Champagne Toast. Now the schedule and description are optional text. You can also display on the template to give additional information. So I'm going to go ahead and add for schedule. I'm going to write tonight at 6 p.m. And for the description, let's say, join us for a champagne toast on deck 6. So now I'm going to hit create. So I've got my 3 slides and they all will soon be synchronized down to ST Dragonfly. So let's go back and take a look at our ship, ST Dragonfly, which you can tell by the blue bar at the top. And normally this would sync automatically in the background, but for this demo, I'm going to go ahead. You also have an option to do a manual sync, and I'm going to hit trigger sync, this button right here. And after a few moments, the synchronization is complete. If I take a look at the Signage System, I can see that the new playlist we created is now here. If I click on it, you can see that all the images are here, and they have propagated down to the ship. So let's cut over to one of our test displays at the source code office and see the Signage System at work. And there you go. Cruise Director Signage System allows you to control the signage on an entire fleet from the comfort of your shoreside office. Thank you for watching. Please contact us at SourceCode if you have any questions about our signage solutions or to learn more about Cruise Director's benefits for your cruise line.